this is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Zinno X450 model fountain pen and Zinno X850 model fountain pen. We are going to see both of the construction of the pen, writing sample and top to bottom we are going to review. So before going to one video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Okay, first we'll look at this Zinno X450 model. This overall body is made up of lacquered metal and this color combination, we need to speak about that. Here is a black color and then white stripes design, and here is gold coated in this pen, and here is a plain royal black, same lacquered metal, and then the white is missing here. Other than that, the same gold and black combination. Now we'll look into this pen. We'll keep this aside. Okay, here is a clip. In this clip there is no design. It's easy clip. We can easily take this and insert in a pocket. When we see this X450 model, it's a little bit tighter when comparing to this, and they have mentioned Zinno X450 in the band the same way they mentioned Zinno X850 in this band, and there is a trim ring and then round finial the top and bottom. Same things are here. It's a trim ring, gold trim rings, and then round finial on the top and the bottom. You can see here. You can see in both the pens, top and bottom. It's a round finial, same gold rings, gold trim rings here. Okay, this is a designed one, this is undesigned one. When comparing to this weight, this is little bit weight. Okay, now we'll look into the pen. And this X450 model is a snap-on cap, and this 850 model is a screw cap. They both have same resin grip section, you can see here. Okay, this 450 model is little bit big when comparing to this 850 model. This is also resin grip section here, and it's comfortable. Both the things are comfortable for me. You can see here. And this 450 model is dual tone and this 850 model also dual tone. Both of the nibs are 35mm nibs. Okay, same Zinno brand logo is there, and then 18K gold plated. Actually this is gold coated, and it's under affordable prices. That's the main thing. And there is a breather hole, round breather hole in same both the pens. And there is a feed, that's a plastic feed, and that's not a plain feed. Now we'll look into the ink system. Okay, one is converter type. It's a 2-in-1. One is converter type, another one is cartridge type, and this 850 model also 2-in-1. You can see here. We'll check the height of this pen. Both the pens are in the same height. You can see here, but the barrel is different. This 450 model is little bit short when comparing to this 850 model. Cap wise, both the things are same. Okay, it's little bit taller when comparing to this X450 model. You can see here. Before going to a pen, we'll see the construction of the pen, whether it's overweight or in a correct weight. Now we'll go and check. Okay, now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. Okay, for that we are going to check whether it's in 0mm or not. And okay, it's 139.34. Now we'll remove the cap and then we'll check the weight. Okay, it's 122.31 mm. Now we'll check the diameter, 9.65 mm. Now we are going to check this 850 model. Its overall length is 143.27 mm. Now we'll unscrew the cap and check the length. Now the overall length from the nib is 124.02 mm. Okay, it's 10.38 mm. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. Okay, it's 44 gram. Now we'll remove the cap and then we'll calculate the weight. Okay, it's 28 gram and it's almost 15 grams, 10 to 15 grams. Now we'll remove the converter and we'll calculate the overall weight. Okay, it's 44 gram. Almost 2 grams only is converted. Okay. Saw this calculation. Now we are going to see this calculation. The overall weight of this pen is 37 gram. I told already that this is little bit weight when comparing to this Zenov X850. Now we'll remove the cap, unscrew the cap, and then we'll check the weight. Okay, it's 22 gram. Now we'll remove the converter. This converter will be almost 2 grams. Okay, it's 35 gram. Okay, this converter is 2 gram. Okay, now we are going to do the writing sample for this 2 pen. We are going to see how it's going to write, whether rough or smooth. We'll check it now. Okay, first we are going to take this Zenov X850 model pen. Okay, now we are going to dip the ink and just rub in a cloth, and we are going to use. For that we are going to do a partition over here. Wow, it's very straight, and this is a medium nib. Okay, first we are going to write Penhouse dot in, and this is a violet color ink, and this is Zenov X850 model. Okay, now we'll do the rubbing test. Okay, do the smoothness test. Okay, it's nice. I can feel some roughness over here, but while writing again and again, it will come to a smoothness. Okay, now we'll check this X450 model the same way. We are going to dip in a ink, and then we are going to use. For the same way, we are going to see the partition, same line over here. Wow, it's nice. The same way, I can feel some roughness over here too, but while writing again and again, it will come to a smoothness. Wow, the holding its grip section is not slippery for me, and we'll do the rubbing test. It's not an overflow. Okay, we'll do the smoothness test. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, we'll do here. This is X450 model, and this is a medium nib. This medium nib, and this is X850 model, and this is also a medium nib. Both are the medium nibs. We can feel the same writing over here. Okay, now we'll back to our video. Okay, now we did the writing sample of these 2 pens. It's just amazing. We did violet color in these 2 pens. The color combinations of this black and violet vibrant color, it's just amazing. Now we came to an end of a session. So before ending this video, whether we are doing only this pen brands, not at all. We are doing handmade pens, silver pens, customized pens we are doing. You can engrave in the pen whatever names you want, your family, friends or neighbors, anybody's name can be engraved and been gifted to that person. That will be very useful, right? Okay, other than that, we are doing MDF and acrylic products. This is our own product. You can see here, it's a feather type stand. It's a pen stand. It's look amazing when we keep here. You can see here, and we are doing more gift items. This is a smaller hole and this is a big hole. You can see here. According to your pen stand, you can customize your own design and own product. And link in the description. You want many categories available in penhouse.in. Link in the description. Go place your order and grab it soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tata, bye bye.